Carotid triangle. The carotid is a Greek word, and the carotid triangle is the triangle through which the major blood supply to the head and neck can be provided. It is the most important triangle of the neck. It is one of the anterior triangles of the neck. Coming to the boundaries of the carotid triangle. Anterosuperiorly, it is related to the posterior belly of digastric and the styloid muscle, and the antero-inferiorly, it is related to the superior belly of omohyoid, and posteriorly, anterior border of the sternocleidomastoid muscle. In this picture, you can clearly see the boundaries of the carotid triangle. And the roof of the carotid triangle is formed by the skin, superficial fascia, which contains the platysma, the cervical branch of the facial nerve, and the transverse cutaneous nerve of the neck, and lastly is the investing layer of the deep cervical fascia. Floor. The floor, it is formed by parts of the middle constrictor of pharynx, the inferior constrictor of pharynx, and the mylohyoid and the hyoglossus muscles. Coming to the contents of the carotid triangle. Arteries. It consists of the common carotid artery with its carotid sinus and the carotid bodies. And next is the internal carotid artery and the external carotid artery with its branches. Coming to the veins present in the carotid triangle. It contains of the internal jugular vein, the common facial vein, the pharyngeal vein, and the lingual vein. All the common facial vein, the pharyngeal vein, and the lingual vein will finally drain into the internal jugular vein. Nerves of the carotid triangle. It contains the vagus, the superior laryngeal branch of the vagus, the spinal accessory nerve, the sympathetic chain, the carotid sheath with its contents, hypoglossal nerve. That's it. The lymph nodes. The lymph nodes of the carotid triangle includes of the deep cervical lymph node, jugulo-digastric node, and the jugulo-omohyoid node. This picture shows the complete contents and the boundaries of the carotid triangle. Thank you.